Hello, this is a standard setup of a Abacus device, and this is of course a software version of Abacus. Here you can see the structure of an Abacus. These pebbles are called beams. These four black color ones at the lower part is called earth beams, and the top ones, the red ones as well the first green one, all are called heaven beams. We have earth beams as well as heaven beams. So now it's in a reset position, or the value of the abacus is 0 now. If you want to set a value 1, then move the earthen beam up. So now the value is 1 as it is displayed here. And if you want to set 2, move one more up to 3, one more up to 4. So ultimately we have moved all the earthen beams up and we got the value 4. But for setting value of 5, the way is we have to pull all the earthen beams down. Now it will be 0, but if you move the heaven beam down, then the value is 5. Now the current value of this abacus is 5. If you want to make 6, then 5 already, plus 1 6, plus 1 7, plus 1 8, plus 1 9. So now the value 9 is set in the first set, that is units beam. And of course if you want to set 10 in the abacus, we have to move to the tens beam, and if you move one earthen beam up, then the value is 10. Here it is 1 and here nothing, it is 0. So 1 0, that is 10. If you move one more from here, then it is 20. If you want to set 21, this is 21. If you want to 25, now it is 20 plus 5, 25. Okay, if you want to clear, just click here. So the abacus value is 0. And similarly, if you want to set a value 100, move the 100 position, earthen beam up, now it is 100. And if you want to set a value 150, now it is 100. 50 unit down, now it is 150. If you want to make it 152, 2 more up from the units, 100 52, 100 plus 50 plus 2, that is 152. This way you can set the values. If you want to set a value 5000, move to the thousands position. If it is 5, use the heaven beam. 5100, if you want to set 5200 for example, move 2 more up, so it is 5200. And suppose 5235, this is the value. This represents 5000. This one, 2 earthen beams, 100 100 200. Here 3 earthen beams, 10 10 10 30, and here one heaven beam, that's unit position, that is 5. So now the value is 5235. So clear it again. So all the heaven beams will move up and earth beams will move down. Now the value is 0. Similarly you can use the values. Suppose if you want to use 6000, 5000 plus 1000, 6000. Clear it. 50,000 and 500,000, 550,000, 560,000, 570,000, 580,000, 590,000. This is the maximum, 590,000, 590,000, and clear it, and whatever value you want to. If you press the plus button, then the beams will move up, the minus button to move the beams down, and for the heaven beam the single button will make both the actions, up and down actions. This is a software version of Abaqus just for a counting module. I call it as counting module because you can learn how to count the numbers and how the values are set in an Abaqus, to read the values from the Abaqus. Thank you for watching this video, and you can use it from my website. If you have any doubts, queries, you can mail to me. My email ID it_teacher1@yahoo.com, website shahjiphilip.com.